Our next award is the Game Changer in Logistics Parks. Now, I think logistics park operators of the past were once seen as a little bit distant, owners who were simply leasing spaces for logistics firms to be able to complete their operations. But in the last few years, we have seen tremendous change with new ways of working, a number of more efficiencies and streamlined technical operations that's allowing the park to be truly unified as one. Our winner of this award tonight is one that really is leading the way in terms of how logistics parks are becoming even more integrated with a streamlined chain. Our nominees are JAFSA, LogiPoint, Agility Logistics Parks, and Kizad. And the winner is LogiPoint.
We are the forerunners of innovation. We are the caretakers of everything from goods import to repackage and re-export till it reaches your location. We provide systemized solutions and impressive facilities, making it a heavenly experience for our customers. Headquartered in the world-renowned city of Jeddah. In 1999, our ambitious journey began. We built the kingdom's first and largest multi-purpose bonded and re-export zone, strategically located at Jeddah Islamic Port. We take pride in our 18 years of impeccable services in major industries. Our passion for logistics solutions made us serve 360-degree services in this domain, touching upon all the process and added perks and facilities. Having all services under one name makes your logistics and shipping experience a flux and speedy. We touch upon every task that touches your business needs and makes it a fulfilling and rewarding experience. We exist to transform customer experience through our sophisticated multi-purpose logistics zone. Our pre-built and built-to-suit warehouses at Logistics Parks, South Jeddah are designed as per the international standards for best storage and management. Through the advanced security systems, we stay well guarded on all our operations. Our Logistic Parks Modan 1 Jeddah is one of its kind concept, developing several segments of utility for operating as a one-stop shop to provide logistics support services for industrial area users. Your business challenges are cutting-edge logistics solutions to uphold your business endeavors through customized, integrated, and cost-effective approach as per your shipping and logistics needs. We believe in simple, smart solutions that enhance the customer experience, and in cultivating long-term work relationships based on deep understanding of the logistics industry and by anticipating our clients' diverse needs. We are LogiPoint. We go one step further.
Congratulations to LogiPoint. Now, joining us for the second time on stage this evening, it's clear that their 18 years of impeccable service to customers has taken place across all the major industry segments. They've made history on a number of occasions with some huge landmark logistics projects. They've even made their Bollywood debut this year with their logistics facility featuring in the new Shah Rukh Khan starrer Dunki. Keep an eye out for that one. Congratulations to LogiPoint.
So, 25 years, second award in the night, and all credit to Team LogiPoint. What started as a bonded and re-export zone in Jeddah Islamic Port in 1999 has today grown to become the kingdom's premier developer of logistics real estate, and to be recognized in the region as the best developer of logistics parks and zones is just the kind of appreciation that we need to keep going. So we dedicate this award to all of our customers, all of our stakeholders, and above all, to our team, every LogiPoint person. Thank you very much, and all the very best.